100 Daily Use English Sentences for Beginners. Speak English easily. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's podcast. This is not just another English lesson. This is your step-by-step guide to speaking English with confidence in daily life. If you are a beginner, I want you to pay close attention. If you are someone who already knows some English but still feels nervous, I also want you to listen carefully. Because today, I'm going to share with you 100 powerful daily use English sentences that will make your speaking smooth, natural, and fearless. But here's the real secret. I will not just give you the sentences. I will also guide you on how to use them, when to use them, and how to practice them. By the end of this podcast, you will not only know these 100 sentences, you will also know how to make English a natural part of your daily life. So grab a notebook, sit comfortably, or just plug in your headphones while you're on the move. Let's begin this English speaking journey together. Headphone Part 1: Morning Routine Sentences, with explanation and practice. We all start our day with a routine. Morning is the best time to practice English because your mind is fresh, your energy is high, and you can use small English sentences to set the tone for the day. Let's begin with the first 10 sentences. 1. Good morning. Use this to greet your family, friends, or colleagues. Don't just say it in your mind, say it aloud. 2. Did you sleep well? A polite way to ask someone about their rest. 3. Wake up, it's time for school, work. Use it to call your kids, siblings, or even say to yourself. 4. I need 5 more minutes. A realistic sentence, right? We all say this when we're lazy in bed. 5. I'm brushing my teeth. Say this while actually brushing, it helps you connect action with English. 6. Please pass me the towel. A polite request. Practice the tone of your voice here. 7. I'm getting ready. You can say this every morning. 8. What's for breakfast? Ask this question daily to make it natural. 9. I'm feeling fresh today. Use it to set a positive mood. 10. Let's start the day with energy. A motivational line for yourself and others. Right finger practice tip. Each morning, speak at least 3 of these sentences aloud. Even if no one is around, talk to yourself in English. For example, good morning, Bakesh. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm getting ready for the day. This habit may look small, but it is the beginning of thinking in English. Headphone Part 2: At home sentences, with explanation and practice. Home is the place where you spend most of your time, and it is also the best place to practice English without fear. Nobody will judge you at home, so you can use English freely. Let's learn the next 10 sentences. 11. Please close the door. A polite and useful command. Don't just say, close the door. Add, please, to make it polite. 12. Switch off the light. Common in every house. Use it whenever you leave a room. 13. Can you bring me a glass of water? A polite request to anyone at home. 14. I'm feeling hungry. Very common. Say it before meals. 15. Let's have lunch together. Invite family members with this sentence. 16. The food smells delicious. A great way to compliment the cook. 17. Don't make noise. Use this to maintain peace at home. 18. Please clean the room. A polite household request. 19. I'm watching TV. Say it naturally while doing it. 20. Let's go outside. A simple invitation. Right finger practice tip. Walk around your home and use English for every small action. Example. While turning off the light, I'm switching off the light. While drinking water, I'm drinking water. While watching TV, I'm watching TV. This method is called action talk practice. It helps you connect your activities with English naturally. Part 3: At work, school sentences, with explanation and practice. Workplace and school are the 2 environments where English is very important. If you can use even simple English sentences here, you will feel confident and respected. Let's look at the next 10. 21. Good morning, sir, ma'am. Start with respect and confidence. 22. Can I help you? A professional and polite sentence. 23. Please come in. Very useful for office or school situations. 24. Sit down, please. Shows politeness. 25. May I ask you a question? Use this in class or meetings. 26. I don't understand. A very powerful sentence. Never be afraid to say this. 27. Can you repeat that, please? Shows eagerness to learn. 28. I'm working on the project. Good to use in office discussions. 29. The meeting will start soon. Common in professional life. 30. Thank you for your help. A must-use polite sentence. Right finger practice tip. In school or office, instead of staying silent, use small English sentences. Even if you make mistakes, people will appreciate your effort. Confidence grows only when you use English in real situations. Part 4. Polite everyday sentences, with explanation and practice. Politeness is the heart of communication. If you use polite sentences in English, people will always respond positively. Let's practice. 31. How are you? The most common greeting. 32. I'm fine, thank you. A simple polite reply. 33. What about you? Keep the conversation going. 34. Please wait a moment. Useful in daily life. 35. Excuse me. Use it before asking something. 36. I'm sorry. A sentence that shows respect and humility. 37. Thank you so much. Express gratitude with warmth. 38. You're welcome. A perfect reply to thank you. 39. That's very kind of you. Shows appreciation. 40. Have a nice day. A friendly way to end conversations. Right finger practice tip. Politeness is not about long sentences, it's about tone. When you say, excuse me, or please wait a moment, with a smile, your English feels natural. Record yourself speaking these sentences and check your tone. Part 5. Shopping and market sentences, with explanation and practice. Shopping is something we all do, whether in a supermarket, street market, or mall. If you learn some simple English shopping sentences, you'll never feel nervous in such places. Let's explore. 41. How much is this? The most useful question in the market. 42. Can you show me this one? Ask politely when you want to see an item. 43. Do you have this in another color? Useful for clothes and accessories. 44. It's too expensive. When the price is high, use this. 45. Can you give me a discount? Helpful in bargaining situations. 46. I'll take this one. Use it when you decide to buy something. 47. Can I pay by card? Modern shopping often requires this. 48. Do you accept online payment? For digital transactions. 49. Please give me a bag. Always useful. 50. Thank you, I'll come again. A polite way to end shopping. Right finger explanation and usage. When shopping in English-speaking places, you don't need long sentences. Even short ones like, how much, or I'll take this, are enough. Confidence is more important than grammar. Right finger practice tip. Take a notebook, write 10 sentences for shopping, and practice them aloud. Next time you shop, even if it's a local market, try one English sentence. For example, instead of saying, kitna hai, say, how much is this? You'll start building confidence step by step. Part 6. Travel and transportation sentences. When traveling by bus, train, taxi, or even flight, English is always useful. Let's learn. 51. Where is the bus stop? Very common question. 52. What time does the train leave? Use it at railway stations. 53. How long will it take to reach? For taxis or buses. 54. Please drop me here. Useful when traveling by auto, taxi. 55. Can I get a ticket? Basic travel sentence. 56. How much is the fare? To know the price. 57. Is this seat taken? Use it politely in buses or trains. 58. I'm traveling to Delhi. State your destination clearly. 59. The journey was comfortable. A polite way to describe experience. 60. Thank you for the ride. Always end with gratitude. Right finger explanation and usage. When you travel, confidence is key. Speak slowly and clearly. Even if you make mistakes, people will understand because travel words are common worldwide. Right finger practice tip. Imagine you're traveling tomorrow. Speak aloud what you will say in English at each step. At the station. Where is platform number 3? In the bus. Is this seat free? In the taxi. Please stop here. This role-play method is very powerful. Part 7. Emergency and help sentences. Emergencies are rare, but knowing English sentences for them can be life-saving. 61. Please help me. The most important emergency sentence. 62. Call the police. For safety. 63. I need a doctor. In case of health emergency. 64. Where is the hospital? Useful for medical situations. 65. I have lost my bag. If something goes missing. 66. Can you show me the way? If you are lost. 67. It's urgent. To explain seriousness. 68. Don't worry, I'm fine. To calm others. 69. I need some water. Simple, but very important. 70. Please stay with me. To ask for support. Right finger explanation and usage. In emergencies, speak short and clear. Don't worry about grammar, just say the key word, doctor, police, help. People will understand. Right finger practice tip. Stand in front of a mirror and practice emergency sentences loudly, like you're calling for help. This will build quick reflexes in real life. Part 8. Phone conversation sentences. Speaking on the phone is different from face-to-face conversation because you can't use body language. That's why simple and clear English sentences are very important. Let's learn. 71. Hello, may I speak to Mr. Sharma? A polite way to ask for someone. 72. Speaking. Who is this? To reply when someone calls you. 73. I'll call you back later. When you are busy. 74. The line is not clear. If the voice is breaking. 75. Can you hear me now? To check connection. 76. Please hold on for a moment. If you need a short pause. 77. I'm sorry, the number is busy. Common phone phrase. 78. Can you repeat that, please? If you didn't understand. 79. Thank you for your call. To end politely. 80. Talk to you soon. Bye. Friendly closing. Right finger explanation and usage. Phone conversations should be short, polite, and clear. Avoid long sentences. Use soft tone because the other person cannot see your facial expressions. Right finger practice tip. Take your phone and record yourself practicing these sentences. Listen to your recording and notice if your voice is clear. This helps improve both confidence and pronunciation. Part 9. Social and friendship sentences. Social life is incomplete without English today. Whether it's meeting friends, attending parties, or chatting casually, these sentences are useful. 81. How have you been? A polite way to ask about life. 82. It's been a long time. When meeting after many days. 83. Let's catch up sometime. Inviting a friend casually. 84. Do you want to hang out this weekend? Friendly invitation. 85. That sounds great. To accept a plan. 86. Sorry, I can't make it. When you can't join. 87. I really enjoyed today, after spending time with friends. 88. Keep in touch. To end politely but warmly. 89. Congratulations on your success. To celebrate achievements. 90. I'm happy for you. Encouraging and positive. Right finger explanation and usage. These sentences make your social life smooth. English is often mixed with casual talk, so short and natural sentences work best. Right finger practice tip. Whenever you meet your friends, try adding one English sentence in your talk. For example, instead of saying, "Bao Dino Bod Mile," say, "It's been a long time." Part 10 Daily Routine and Life Sentences. Daily life is full of small actions: waking up, working, eating, relaxing. Let's cover some common sentences. 91. I wake up early in the morning. 92. I brush my teeth and take a shower. 93. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. 94. I go to work by bus. 95. I take a short break after lunch. 96. I return home in the evening. 97. I spend time with my family. 98. I watch TV or read a book at night. 99. I go to bed at 10 p.m. 100. Tomorrow will be a busy day. Right finger explanation and usage. These sentences are extremely useful for beginners. If you can describe your daily routine in English, you can build longer conversations step by step. Right finger practice tip. Every morning, write 5 sentences about your routine in English. For example, I woke up at 6. I had tea. I went for a walk. This habit improves both writing and speaking. Dear friends, we have now covered 100 daily use English sentences with meanings, examples, and practice tips. These are the building blocks of fluent English. If you remember only one lesson from today, let it be this: right finger confidence is more important than grammar. You don't need to speak perfect English. You just need to start speaking. Speak daily, even if it's only 2 sentences. Step by step, your English will grow stronger. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I am improving every day. My English will open doors of success. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. Glowing star. Thank you for listening to this podcast. This is your friend Bakesh, reminding you that learning English is not about fear, it's about practice, patience, and positivity. Until next time, stay confident and keep speaking English. Bye for now.